Hello, loves. Sorry. Welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to do a deep condition on my hair using avocado, coconut oil, and honey. This is my lovely mixture that I made. Yumminess. I tried to straighten my hair like a week ago, and I really feel like I kind of did some damage to my hair, and I need to bring it back to life. Like after I washed it, it just did not feel the same. And so it's time to bring my hair back to life, and I will not be putting heat on it for the rest of 2020. Will not. So first, sorry, quick scalp massage. Excuse me while I enjoy this for a minute. Okay, and we're back. So first thing I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 parts, 4 sections, and just using my hand. Really no big deal. I am so rough on my hair and really need to be more gentle. I'm just naturally like a heavy-handed person. I don't mean to be so rough, but I am. Okay, so I have all my sections separated. I'm gonna go in and spray with some aloe vera juice. I'm not trying to soak it, I'm just gonna rub that in there. I'm just gonna detangle it a little bit. Nothing too major. Like seriously, after putting all that heat on my hair, like when it's wet, like it's not even curling up the same. But after I do this deep conditioner, it should be brought back to life. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go in and make smaller sections. Gonna pin up the rest and start applying the mixture. It feels so good in my hair, you guys. And I am in no way, a natural hair expert. I watch a lot of videos to learn what I'm doing, but let me know if I should start doing more hair videos. As I learn, you guys can learn with me. Because I know I'm not the only one who doesn't know everything, and I know there's plenty of people that just started going natural or want to go natural. We can learn together. You guys see chunks of avocado falling in the sink. It feels good. Okay, so I got that whole section saturated, so I'm just gonna pin it up, clip crisp it up, pin it up, whatever. And I'm gonna work on the other sections.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to, I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak?
Okay, so I have all 4 sections saturated. My bathroom sink is a hot mess. It's really, really messy, but it's so worth it. Your hair will thank you for it. So now I'm just gonna throw on a plastic bag over this. No time limit. I'm just gonna sit in it for a while, put the kids down for nap and clean up and do what I have to do. And when I have the time, I'll rinse it out. And so I will be back. Okay, all done. So I rinsed it out and then I just washed it with some Dove Intensive Repair shampoo and some conditioner. And I didn't want to shampoo it, but I had all this avocado still in my hair. And it looks like I still do. So I'm actually gonna go rinse it again one last time, but I can tell you my hair feels a million times better. And I'm just gonna style it like I normally would. I love it. It feels amazing. So yeah, try that combination. I would say mash the avocados way better than I did, because I didn't have this problem last time I used it. All these little pieces of avocado still in my hair. I didn't do a good job at. And my avocados weren't super, super ripe, so it wasn't as easy to mash. So yeah, but no biggie. So yeah. Let me know if I should do more hair videos. I'm not an expert, but I'm trying. Bye, guys.